this series Class Chemistry by Arun Bhange. Running chapter, you know that this running chapter is alkene. The alkene chapter is very important chapter for organic chemistry. Yes, I am going to consult you. I am taking so many periods, so many videos are there. Here today's point is, after preparation of alkene, then properties of alkene. There are physical properties and chemical properties. We are going today physical properties. Physical properties of alkene. Physical properties of alkene. These physical properties shows that, you know that ethene, the first physical property, ethene, propene, minimum ethene, propene, butene. These starting three alkenes are gases. The physical state of these, which is gas. The gases in nature. And in these three types of this ethene has a particular smell. Ethene has a particular smell. Faint sweet smell. Faint sweet smell. Out of these three gases, out of these three alkenes, ethene has a faint sweet smell, and first three alkenes are, means 2 carbon containing ethene, 3 carbon containing propene, 4 carbon containing butene. These are gases in nature. And next part, from 5 to 18. 5 to 18 means next 14 alkenes. Next 14 alkenes are liquid. Liquid means from pentene, hexene, heptene, etc. These 5 to 18 alkenes are liquid. The liquid state is important. 5 to 18. 2 to 4 gases. Ethene has faint sweet smell. The third part, higher alkenes are solids. Higher alkenes are solids, means higher alkenes are solid. Clear? Note these 3 points. Yes, these are the 3 physical properties. After these 3 points, the fourth point is except ethene, all alkenes are odorless. Alkenes are odorless. Except ethene, others are odorless. Next part is alkenes are insoluble in water and fairly soluble in non-polar solvents like benzene, petroleum, ether, etc. Petroleum part and ether, or petroleum ether. It means that alkenes are insoluble in water. Alkenes are insoluble in water and fairly soluble in, because water is a polar solvent, and fairly soluble in non-polar solvents like benzene, petroleum ether, these are the solvents. Clear? It is our next physical property which indicate that except ethene others are odorless, it is insoluble in water, fairly soluble in polar solvents like benzene, petroleum ether, etc. After this, next 6th point for physical property, you must know what is physical property. Physical property is an important part. Sixth point is straight chain alkenes, straight chain alkenes have higher boiling point. Straight chain alkenes have higher boiling point than isomeric branched chain. Then it's isomeric branched chain. Example, branched chain. Carbon number 1, carbon number 2, carbon number 3, carbon number 4, carbon number 5. It is one type of alkene straight chain alkene 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pent 1-ene. It is one type of alkene, pent 1-ene. When such type of alkene which is to be converted into branched chain like this, CH2 double bond CH, CH2, then the branch CH3, and it is also CH3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. It is one of the branched chain of pentene. Its boiling point is lower boiling point than this. Then its isomeric branched chain. Means straight chain alkenes have higher boiling point than isomeric branched chain compound. These are the physical properties of alkene. The first physical property, ethene, propene, butene are gases. Ethene has faint sweet smell. Then alkenes are liquids, that is 5 to 18. From 5 to 18, alkenes are liquids. First 4 are gases. From 5 to 18 are liquids. Except ethene, others are odorless. They are insoluble in water, fairly soluble in polar solvents, because water is a fairly soluble is non-polar solvent. Water is a polar solvent. Okay. Straight chain alkenes have higher boiling point than isomeric branched chain compound. Okay. These are the physical properties. Yes, we will go towards chemical properties. Okay. Yes, we are going to study chemical properties of alkene. Chemical properties of alkene. Chemical properties of alkene. You know that alkene having C double bond C, it is the basic part containing one pi bond, sigma bonds are 5 sigma bonds are there. The pi bond is weak bond. When electrophilic attack takes place and the breaking of pi bond takes place and electrophile get added across the double bond. This is a type of addition reaction. Due to double bond, addition reaction takes place. Suppose AB is a compound which is ready to react with this attacking molecule. This is attacking molecule. This attacking molecule, by breaking up this negative charge toward this side, positive charge toward this side, or suppose free radicals get adjusted, these free radicals connects with this carbon across the A connects to this side, B connects to this side, such type of addition product is to be formed. Such type of addition product is to be formed. Here first chemical property is addition of halogen. Addition of halogen is an important part. Addition of halogen takes place by this way. This is one of the first property, first chemical property, addition of halogen. Addition of halogens. Under normal condition, Cl2 reacts with alkene, Br2 reacts with alkene, but iodine can't react with alkene. Under normal condition, iodine cannot be reacted. Here, suppose CH2 double bond CH2, it is ethene. When ethene reacts with Br2, famous reacting molecule, under the solvent which is to be taken, CCl4 is the solvent. When these two reacts with each other, gives CH2Br and CH2Br. This is vicinal dihalide, 1,2-dibromoethane, 1,2-dibromoethane. It is addition product. Ethane reacts with halogen, which gives 1,2-dibromoethane. It means that if you are taking second example, this is example number 1. Second example, CH3 bond CH double bond CH2. Suppose it is one of the part propene. When propene reacts with Cl2, Cl2 is halogen, solvent CCl4 is there. Breaking of this pi bond, one Cl and one Cl. The free radical Cl is connects to this carbon and this carbon, which gives CH3, CH, it is Cl, the CH2Cl, 1,2-dichloropropane, 1,2-dichloropropane. प्रैक्टिस करो बस, रिएक्शन मेन रिएक्शन एक बार समझ लो, फिर आपको प्रैक्टिस से सब कुछ आता जाएगा. Addition reaction shows that when halogen is to be added with respect to double bond, breaking of double bond takes place, formation of 2 points of free radical. These halogens are also converted into free radicals. They are connected with that electron. A pair is to be formed, gives this type of vicinal dihalide. Across the double bond, addition of Br2 takes place. Across the double bond, addition of Cl2 takes place. It is an important part. डायरेक्टली कोई रिएक्शन आपको नहीं पूछेगा तो उसका कंसेप्ट आपको मालूम होना चाहिए कि रिएक्शन कैसे बनेगा. ओके, राइट दिस. Here's the next reaction after addition of halogen, addition of hydrogen halide. The famous reaction, addition of hydrogen halide. Hydrogen halide. These hydrogen halides are HI, which is very fast, reacts with alkene, then HBr, then HCl. The reactivity order for hydrogen halide is like this: HI, HBr, HCl. These reagents reacts with alkene, gives electrophilic addition. It is order भी पूछेगा तो IBrCl, HBr, HI, HBr, HCl. फिर ऑर्डर के बाद वो पूछेंगे कौन सा रिएक्शन है. इट इज़ इलेक्ट्रोफिलिक रिएक्शन. इलेक्ट्रोफिलिक एडिशन पूरा ऐड होगा. इलेक्ट्रोफिलिक एडिशन रिएक्शन. These alkenes are of two types. One is symmetrical alkene, CH3 double bond C bond CH3 H and H. It is symmetrical alkene. डबल बॉन्ड के ए साइड में CH3CH है, ए साइड में CH3CH है. ये सिमेट्रिकल अल्कीन है. ये भी सिमेट्रिकल अल्कीन है, H2CH2. फॉर सिमेट्रिकल अल्कीन there is no difficult to add HCl, HBr, HI. For symmetrical alkyl there is no rule at all, but for unsymmetrical alkyl some type of rules are there. These rules are Markovnikov's rules and anti-Markovnikov's rules. But initially we are taking symmetrical alkenes. आपको पहले सोचना है कि इलेक्ट्रोफिलिक एडिशन सिमेट्रिकल अल्कीन में हो रहा है या अनसिमेट्रिकल अल्कीन में हो रहा है. तो मेरा पहला एग्जांपल होगा CH2 डबल बॉन्ड CH2. इट इज़ इथीन. दिस इथीन रिएक्ट्स, इट इज़ अ सिमेट्रिकल अल्कीन, reacts with HBr. Breaking of this bond takes place, which gives a product CH3CH2Br. Simple product which is to be formed. Halogen and hydrogen connects are added across the double bond, which gives ethyl bromide. There is no difficulty to add these HI, HBr, HCl in symmetrical alkene. There is no any type of rule is there which product is major, which product is minor. It is not to be present here. We are taking another symmetrical alkene. That symmetrical alkene is CH3 bond CH2, CH3 bond CH double bond CH2. This is symmetrical alkene. 1 2 3 4 bute2ene. Second carbon were at the second carbon and third carbon. In between second carbon and third carbon there is a double bond. So bute2ene reacts with HCl, unsymmetrical reagent. Reagent is unsymmetrical, but reactant which is ready to react, जो भी substrate है, substrate जो react करता है वो symmetrical है. reagent जो है unsymmetrical है. unsymmetrical reagent symmetrical के साथ attach करने के बाद ये बनेगा CH3 bond CH2 bond CHCl CH3 means 1 to 2 chloro 1 to 2 chloro 1 2 3 4 2 chlorobutane बनेगा बेटे. This is addition of hydrogen halide with respect to symmetrical alkene. There is no rule at all. For symmetrical alkene there is no rule at all. Okay, yes, we are going towards unsymmetrical alkene. Addition of hydrogen halides, electrophilic addition takes place with unsymmetrical alkene. आपको unsymmetrical alkene लेना है. unsymmetrical alkene में एक रूल बनेगा. unsymmetrical alkene में एक रूल बनेगा. That rule is known as Markovnikov's rule. Markovnikov's rule. Markovnikov's rule. It is one type of rule which gives a type of particular reaction. We know that by this Markovnikov rule, the halogen part goes to that carbon, means unsymmetrical alkene. We are taking unsymmetrical alkene. CH3 bond CH double bond CH2. It is unsymmetrical alkene. In this unsymmetrical alkene, it reacts with HBr. Halogen part goes to that carbon which consists of least number of hydrogen. Means Br connects to this carbon. Br connects with this carbon. when Br connects with this carbon, then it is to be major product. Means breaking of this double bond takes place. When breaking of double bond takes place, Br connects to this carbon and hydrogen connects to this carbon across the double bond, which gives CH3, CHBr, then CH3, 2 bromopropene, 2 bromopropene, 2 bromopropene is the major product. Halogen part of this unsymmetrical reagent, goes to that carbon which consists of less number of hydrogen, किसके पास लेस नंबर ऑफ हाइड्रोजन है वहीं पर वो जाएगा. मोर स्टेबल एंड लेस स्टेबल. मैं आपको ये थोड़ा सा मैकेनिज्म के साथ बताऊंगा ये रिएक्शन. चलो मैकेनिज्म के साथ बोलेंगे अभी. व्हेन दिस अनसिमेट्रिकल रिएजेंट reacts with unsymmetrical alkene, Markovnikov rule is applied. For this Markovnikov rule, this is the CH3 double bond CH2 CH3 or CH3 single bond CH double bond CH2. It means 3 and 1 4 3 and 1 4 4. It is one type of alkene. When this alkene reacts with HBr, yes, at first in this mechanism the breaking of this bond takes place. When breaking of this bond takes place, CH3 bond CH plus CH2 minus. It is one type of carbonium ion which is to be formed here. At the center part there is a carbonium ion, and this carbonium ion and H is accepted by the here CH3. This Br minus goes towards this secondary carbonium ion. Because secondary carbonium ion is most stable. If you are taking carbonium ion at this side CH2 plus and it is CH2, it is CH3, such type of primary carbocation, this type of primary carbocation is less stable. When this primary carbocation is less stable, Br minus goes to this side, then CH3 bond CH2 bond CH2 Br. This is minor product, and this is major product. Br connects to here, it is major product. Markovnikov gives an idea about this mechanism is. आपको इतना ही सोचना है, when unsymmetrical alkene like HBr, HI and HCl reacts with unsymmetrical alkene, halogen part goes to that carbon which consists of less number of hydrogen. It is the major part. When propene reacts with HBr, the major product is 2-bromopropane. 2-bromopropane is the major product and 1-bromopropane is the minor product. For 2-bromopropane, secondary carbocation which is to be formed. In this secondary carbocation, Br minus directly added towards this secondary carbocation and H plus goes to other side. Here Br minus attached to this primary carbocation and H plus goes toward this side, means halo part. If halo part is not going towards that type of carbon which consists of less hydrogen, then it is not correct. Markovnikov rule, it is a simple rule. In this Markovnikov rule, addition of HBr to unsymmetrical alkene, addition of HCl to unsymmetrical alkene, such type of addition takes place by Markovnikov's rule. Okay, thank you.